One of the first things you need to do with an outdoor communication fault is confirm the high voltage to the equipment. Here you can see I have 244 volts to the equipment. Now look at the LEDs on the board. You can see the amber status LED is lit, so that confirms I have 24 volts to this board. Now what I'm going to do is connect the thermostat or the user interface directly to this wire, which is going inside. We need to troubleshoot that wire because there could be an issue with either the wire or possibly something in this outdoor unit that's causing my outdoor communication fault. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect power, and I can double check with my meter. I have 0 volts, so I've killed the power. I have this plug removed, and I'm going to take off the white C wire. So at this time I've got A and B, green and yellow, which is going inside directly to my indoor unit. Okay, so what I've done now is I've wired my red and my white to IL and C. It's kind of hard to see from the video here, but it is on the IL and the C connection on the board. Now that just goes straight to the plug on C and D. So remember, green and yellow is already going inside to my indoor unit. So once you have that wired up, you're going to look at the back of the user interface. You can see A, B, C, and D. Okay, you got to make sure you line this up right. A, B, C, and D. If you turn this plug 180 degrees, you will smoke your thermostat. So A is green and red is D. I'm going to put the plug on like this. Okay, and then I apply power. Okay, I have power on to the condensing unit. I heard some clicking. I can see the LED lights. I look at my user interface and it is booting up. So I'm going to let it boot up, and then I'm going to search for the indoor unit, and if I can find the indoor unit from out here, then I know the wire's good. Okay, so my thermostat has just booted up, and I can go into the menu here, hold the service hat icon. Now I am in the advanced menu, and I'm going to go to installation. Let's do a full installation and hit next. So now it begins searching for the indoor unit. You can see it says please wait. And I apologize about the glare. There we go, searching for indoor unit. Okay, so it says fan coil service board found. Please select my model. So I know my indoor unit is an 005. That's what I'm going to select. So now I know that it's found the indoor unit. So now on this 25 VNA4 condensing unit, knowing that the wire is okay to the indoor unit, my possibilities here for the outdoor communication fault would be the Bluetooth module, which is this little board down here at the bottom. You can easily troubleshoot that if you disconnect it and then see if you can find your outdoor unit again with everything connected as normal. If you do that and you still can't find the outdoor unit, the next step would be to replace the PCM board.